In this recording in our series of profile operation, we're going to be creating a geometry that will do a profile operation around this edge over here. And later on, we'll also do a profile geometry that deals with this edge as well. So let's get started on this area. Now, when we start a profile operation and go into geometry, what's important with the chain geometry inside a profile operation is the direction. Now, I can use Smart Face and click on this, but I'd like to show to you at one step at a time to show the importance of the direction. So let me delete what I've done over here, and I'll start a new chain geometry without the use of Smart Face or tangent propagation and even constant Z propagation. I don't want them. Okay, I'll start by clicking on this one line over here. Now, depending where I click on the line, closer to this corner or closer to this corner, that's the direction that it will start in. But don't worry, you can always change the direction of the chain. So I'll start by clicking on this line over here from this point. And let's take a look at this from a view where the color of the part is not seen. We can see this now, that we have the direction of the geometry and where it wants to continue to. Now, I said we can always reverse this if I want. This can easily be done by clicking on the reverse button over here. Click on it once. It'll go from this direction to the other direction instead. I want to, however, go in the direction that I started originally. I'll click on it again, and it'll change back to its original position. Now I just want to continue on along the line, so I can click on this, add selected elements, and you see as it goes around the part, it finishes the chain. And that's exactly what I want. I'll click on accept. Now in my next recording, we'll create a tool and then talk about levels.